Hello, Bally Austin community. Today I'm going to talk to you about a salad that I made recently, and I'm going to make it again tonight. It is so good. A lot of times when we think of salads, we think of vegetables and dressing, and it can get kind of boring. Or you might throw in a protein on that. This salad is more what I would call a fruit-forward salad, and it uses the fruits that are very in season right now. So either nectarines or peaches, and then cherries, and then it's got some pasta, arugula, and some fennel. Fennel is the secret ingredient because fennel has that really strong licorice flavor, and then the dressing is a kind of it's not made with oil. It's made with chickpeas. Don't get scared. It's so good. And lemon juice and mustard, and we mix it all together, and you will be shocked at how good it is and how many different it's got this bitter and sweet, all these different flavors going on. So we're gonna make that tonight. Okay, so I've started by putting some arugula in my bowl. So maybe about, salad's worth. And I like arugula quite a bit. It's got a very nice bitter taste to it, which is great for this salad. And then I'm gonna put in some bow tie pasta, and I cooked this pasta up yesterday. I like to cook a little extra pasta often so I can use some for the next day. So I just put the pasta on there, and then my cherries. So I'm gonna put my cherries on top, and I'm gonna cut up my fruit. So I'm gonna put this over here, and I'm gonna cut up my fruit a little bit more because I like it a little on more sort of a bite-sized piece. And we put those on too. And this. And then here's our fennel. And so we're gonna take this and we're gonna cut this right here, cut off the end, and just put that away. So we're not gonna use that. And we're gonna just slice very thin slices. Like I said, this has a very strong taste to it. So, that's just gonna be up to you to decide how much fennel you're gonna wanna use. And I'm gonna use, I guess, this much. That's my dog in the background, Baxter, approving, I think, of my fennel salad. And then the last thing is the shallots. So shallots are a very strong onion. So I wouldn't use too much of this. I tend to love onions, but this particular onion is very sharp. So you wanna maybe just use a little bit. And I cut it very thin slices. And so I put the very thin slices on my salad on the top. As you can see, this is a very big salad. I love eating huge salads. And then the dressing, like I said, the dressing is a very interesting dressing. It's made with chickpeas, lemon juice, lemon zest, and a little bit of maple syrup. And that is it. And then some water. And then you put that on top, and it's got this interesting sweetness to it, kind of a sour sweet. And then I just pour that on top. And when you make this, you make it with water, and so you can thin it out as much as you want to thin it out. And that's it. So that is our salad. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for the salad that I made for you today. And if you make that, let me know. Bye.